Alright, take two. And do it over again. This is about the third video now. I'm gonna try to do this. Yeah. So I'm pretty much going to start vlogging, pretty much video vlogs about myself, my lifestyle, things I do, on a daily basis, random stuff, anything at all. Just make videos about myself. I'll be speaking about different topics. It's general stuff. It don't have to be about any specific thing. Just anything at all. Sharing stuff that might concern people. Might concern me. Drawing. From people. Getting them energy, getting them vibe. Being creative. Being fun. So pretty much, just letting everyone know that I'm going to start it. The critics will be there. Criticism is good. It can be bad, but yeah, I just have to take it. As all people give me. So yeah, some people might come here and say, hey, what is Mark trying to do? Mark trying to copy people, but yeah, everybody have an idea. Everybody following on somebody's footstep. But yeah, motivation came from pretty much Travis. He's big in the vlog world. Big up him vlog. Do film vlogs and stuff. But yeah, motivation from him. You have a couple people on Instagram that I follow that I really like their videos. You have Dirty Berry. You have Punchy. Big up on yourself on a large night. There's Perry as well. Very, 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 very funny. But yeah, I might not be like them, but I'll pretty much be creative. Make videos about myself. My interactions with people on a daily basis. Things I'm doing. Just adding my twist to it, my style. Pretty much, and I'll see how it goes. People can add me up on Instagram at Junior to you, on Facebook as well, Twitter. So just tell me anything, send in love and support, like, subscribe and share. I'll be sending out a few more videos after the intro, because I've been making some videos so far. But yeah, I'm just looking out for the support, looking out for the drama as well. I love the drama as well. So, I'll be expecting that, from people, crazy Jamaicans, Jamaican, by birth. But yeah, everybody's supposed to get accent by now. But yeah, so yeah, I won't make this long. I ain't sure if I'm going to edit this. So throw it up on YouTube and be like, blah. But yeah, there's that, see something. But yeah, because I'm tired for review this and go over and over and trying to get it right and this and that. But yeah, anything, just throw it up. Yeah, I'm just joking, people. I'm going to, fix it up and, send it up and then, get reviews on people and see what is what. And then I can kick it off, So tell me anything. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Telling a friend them, yeah, Mark can start something, running on it, create all kind of drama and thing, and have fun, just laugh. Pretty much. So yeah, thanks again for all the support. Everything good. Yeah, man, thanks. I'm old people.